Deal of centuries pro-Israel colonial plan. Turkish, US and Qatari forces hold joint air drill in Doha. Iraq demands Bahraini apology for insulting cleric. Airstrike kills 6 in Syria's Idlib. Hundreds of Sudanese protest Egypt's Sisi in Khartoum. Sudan's Umar al-Bashir in stable condition. Source: Sudan military and opposition agree on new ruling council. Tripoli government decries UN silence on Haftar attacks. US driver hits pedestrian believing they were Muslims. Afghanistan, 8 police killed in Taliban attack. Pakistani PM meets Chinese president. Pakistani diplomat hopeful of next leadership in India.